Dear friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you where you can find Clipboard on your iPhone. But before starting this video, friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to put your likes and write your comments. So, friends, let's go ahead and get into this topic. And I want to say right away that, unfortunately, there is no such a clipboard like, for example, on Android devices, where you can save various amounts of different text, and perhaps a screenshot or something else. There is no such a big option on the iPhone. The only thing you can do is, for example, copy some text or image and then send it. To do this, you will need to press and hold on a certain text, and then select a part of it, and then just click copy. After that, go to any messenger, social network, notes, and so on, where you would like to insert such text. Then click on the line for the message or just on the line in the notes. And now click Insert. After that, just send that text. And as you can see, it will be sent. That's basically what the clipboard is in iPhones. Dear friends, I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes and also write comments and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.